What's up, tech enthusiasts and keyboard connoisseurs? Welcome back to channel, the place where we untangle the wires of the tech world. Today, we've got a clickety-clack treat for you. The best budget mechanical keyboards of 2024. Whether you're a gamer, a coder, or just someone who loves that satisfying key press, you're in for a treat. Number 5. MSI Vigor GK50 Elite. Meet the MSI Vigor GK50 Elite, a low-cost mechanical keyboard that doesn't sacrifice performance or design. This keyboard, designed for both gamers and typists, provides a haptic and responsive experience without breaking the budget. The GK50 Elite is equipped with high-quality mechanical switches that provide a tactile and audible typing experience. Choose from linear, tactile, or clicky switches based on your preferences. With programmable RGB illumination, you can immerse yourself in a world of colors. Number 4. Corsair K95 RGB. The Corsair K95 RGB's high-quality Cherry MX mechanical key switches offer a responsive and tactile typing experience, making every keystroke feel pleasant and accurate. With dynamic RGB illumination, you can immerse yourself in a rainbow of colors. The K95 RGB allows you to manually customize the color of each key, resulting in a visually appealing and personalized gaming or typing environment. A sturdy structure of the keyboard, made of aircraft-grade aluminum, not only provides a touch of sophistication, but also ensures long-lasting sturdiness, withstanding the rigors of strenuous gaming sessions. With dedicated macro keys, you may tailor your keyboard to your individual needs. The K95 RGB lets you program elaborate macros, simplifying difficult commands and providing you a competitive advantage in gaming. With separate multimedia controls, you can easily control your audio and media playback. Adjust the volume, play, pause, and skip music while gaming or working. Enjoy ergonomic comfort during long periods. The optional wrist rest on the K95 RGB supports your wrists, decreasing tiredness and improving overall typing and gaming comfort. Corsair's ICUE software unlocks a world of customization. In one simple interface, you can easily synchronize RGB lighting effects, create custom macros, and manage your keyboard settings. With the built-in USB pass-through port, you may connect your peripherals directly to the keyboard, eliminating cable clutter and enabling simple access to extra USB connections. In the heat of combat, never miss a key press. The K95 RGB features anti-costing and N-key rollover to ensure that every key press is accurately registered even during intense gaming sequences. With Corsair's dynamic lighting effects, you can immerse yourself in a visual spectacular. The K95 RGB allows you to personalize your setup and boost your gaming ambience, with features ranging from cascading rainbows to reactive lighting that responds to in-game events. With onboard memory profiles, you may save your personalized settings directly on the keyboard. Switch between configurations with ease even when switching between devices, ensuring that your chosen settings are always at your fingertips. With comprehensive programmability, you can take command of your keyboard. The Corsair K95 RGB allows you to remap keys, create complex macros, and assign functions to your own workflow or gaming style, resulting in a keyboard that is personalized to your needs. The K95 RGB is built to resist heavy use, featuring double-shot keycaps that ensure the legends do not fade over time. This construction approach ensures longevity and keeps the key's brilliant color, preserving the keyboard's aesthetic appeal. The Corsair K95 RGB blends functionality with a touch of luxury thanks to its clean and elegant appearance. The floating keycap design not only makes cleaning easier, but it also gives a modern touch to your gaming or workstation. Known for their devotion to quality, Corsair assures that the K95 RGB undergoes rigorous testing to match their high standards. Trust the dependability of Corsair's goods, which are backed by a well-known brand in the gaming peripherals sector. Number 3. Corsair STRAFE MX Red. The Corsair STRAFE MX Red mechanical gaming keyboard is a low-cost powerhouse that provides a satisfying and responsive gaming experience without sacrificing quality. This keyboard stands out as a solid alternative for people looking for performance on a budget because it is packed with features that appeal to both gamers and typists. This STRAFE is outfitted with Cherry MX Red mechanical switches, which are recognized for their smooth keystrokes and linear actuation. These switches are ideal for gaming since they have fast response times without tactile bumps, making them ideal for quick and precise key presses. With dynamic red LED backlighting, you can immerse yourself in a personalized gaming ambience. Customize the lighting on your keyboard to fit your gaming setup, or utilize static lighting for a clean and focused workstation. The tankless design of this STRAFE maximizes desk space while giving a sleek and compact layout. This simple design improves portability without losing functionality. With dedicated multimedia controls, you can access media playback and volume adjustments on the move. The handy positioning keeps you in command without interfering with your gaming or work sessions. Even during intense game sessions, you'll get precise and accurate key presses. Anti-costing technology and N-key rollover ensure that every keystroke is recorded, giving you an advantage in fast-paced games. Because the STRAFE is compatible with aftermarket keycap sets, you can easily swap out keycaps. Customize the design and feel of your keyboard to fit your tastes and preferences. To further personalize your keyboard, use Corsair's ICUE software. Control lighting effects, program macros, and sync your Corsair accessories for a cohesive, immersive gaming experience. Say goodbye to aches and pains during long gaming or typing sessions. The detachable wrist rest on the STRAFE MX Red provides ergonomic support and allows you to customize your configuration for maximum comfort. Believe in the Corsair brand's quality and dependability. Corsair, a brand known for developing high-quality gaming peripherals, ensures that the STRAFE MX Red lives up to the business's reputation for durability and performance. The STRAFE's Cherry MX Red switches are noted for their quiet operation, making them perfect for shared settings or environments that demand quiet keystrokes. Enjoy uninterrupted gaming or work without disturbing anyone around you. STRAFE MX Red's built-in USB pass-through simplifies cord management. Connect your mouse, headset, or other peripherals to the keyboard directly to reduce cable clutter on your desktop. With a single keystroke, you may block the Windows key, preventing unintentional interruptions during vital gaming moments. Concentrate solely on your game without regard for minimizing or exiting. Number 2, Havoc KB487L. Without breaking the money, you can enjoy satisfying tactile feedback and quick actuation of mechanical switches. The Havoc KB487L has dependable mechanical switches for increased durability and responsiveness. Dynamic RGB backlighting will elevate your gaming setup. The changeable lighting effects on the keyboard allow you to personalize your gaming experience and match your style. The KB487L's tankless TKL layout saves space without losing functionality. Its compact design is great for gamers who value desk space or those who are constantly on the go. This keyboard was designed with longevity in mind, featuring a solid structure that can handle the demands of intense gaming sessions. The keycaps are built to withstand repeated keystrokes, assuring their longevity. The keyboard features anti-costing technology and N-key rollover, allowing you to execute complex commands with pinpoint accuracy. Even in the heat of battle, you can expect a responsive and dependable gaming experience. With dedicated multimedia keys, you can easily control your media playback. Without interfering with your gaming or productivity, you may adjust the volume, play, pause, and skip music. There is no need for complicated software or drivers. The Havoc KB487L has a simple plug-and-play setup that makes it suitable for users of all levels of technical expertise. The KB487L's low pricing is one of its most appealing qualities. Number 1. Royal KLUDG RK61. Meet the Royal KLUDG RK61, a low-cost mechanical keyboard that doesn't skimp on performance or elegance. This compact and wireless keyboard, designed with both gamers and typists in mind, provides a superior mechanical experience without breaking the bank. The 60% compact architecture of the RK61 saves desk space without losing functionality. Carry it easily for typing or gaming sessions on the road. Experience haptic and responsive typing with a variety of mechanical switches, including red, blue, and brown options. Adjust the feel of your typing to your liking. Cut the wires and enjoy wireless connectivity's independence. The RK61 supports Bluetooth 3.0 and can switch between up to 3 devices at the same time, making it excellent for multitasking. Enhance your setup with vivid RGB backlighting. Create an immersive and visually appealing experience by customizing lighting effects and colors to match your mood or gaming gear. The RK61 is built to last with a sturdy plastic frame that can resist the rigors of regular use. The keycaps are likewise built to last, delivering a dependable and consistent typing experience. Experiment with various mechanical switches without using solder. The hot swappable key design allows you to easily change switches, customizing the keyboard to your unique typing or gaming needs. The RK61's exceptional battery life allows for longer usage. Whether you're in the midst of a marathon gaming session or a marathon typing session, this keyboard has you covered. With programmable keys, you can take command of your workflow or gaming macros. Customize the RK61 to improve efficiency and gain a competitive advantage in gaming. The RK61 is compatible with a number of operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Android, allowing for device adaptability. Bluetooth 3.0 technology in the RK61 offers a stable and dependable wireless connection. Pair the keyboard with your devices with ease and enjoy a clutter-free workspace or gaming setup. Despite its small size, the RK61 does not skimp on critical capabilities. You have the convenience of full-size keyboards and a compact form factor with dedicated arrow and navigation buttons. Using the F key, you can quickly access extra functions and commands. The RK61's F key exposes a variety of features at your fingertips, from media controls to lighting settings. That concludes our top 5 best budget mechanical keyboard in 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.